It is November unto Art, Uausen and Art, and oh shit, that's right, Deja fucking vu. It's Boreana X Antin, Wausen on tin. Well, I might make the lunch prices for Golden Corral. This happens to be done today, days that I no shit with my routine associated with having Asperger's. This shit's caused me so fucking much anxiety. It's taken my mind off the snow. Oh, shit. Fuck. It's taken my mind off the fucking snowflakes, so it's giving me shit over my spoken words. Yeah, being in a hurry, it's a fucking joy. I fucking love it. Having to fucking rush. God. I have 5 minutes to be in, well, I have X minutes to be in Golden Corral in order to have a chance to get the lunch prices. Shit, it's gonna be close. If I don't make the fucking lunch prices, I'll just run to the post office and return to Netflix. Oh my God, this really fucking sucks. Oh fuck, well that's not looking good. I'm gonna be able to turn anytime soon as my time is rapidly fucking dwindling. Oh, I hate this. Oh, I fucking hate this shit. Oh crud, I hate this. Oh, I hate this with a fucking passion. Oh shit. Can't go yet. Fuck. Oh God, I hate this shit with a fucking passion. This fucking traffic. I gotta make the lunch prices. I only got 8 fucking minutes now. Oh fucking crud. Oh God. It's gonna be very, very close. Oh fuck, it's gonna be fucking close. Shit. And it gets dangerous when I gotta rush. It's fucking dangerous. The fucking post office closes early. Make everything difficult for me. Fuck, I didn't have the fucking time. The fucking time ran out. Oh God, I gotta make all the lights. Shit. It's only 8 fucking minutes. It's kind of X minutes. It's not enough fucking time. Oh God. I didn't throw quite as well. I threw some tantrums, big time rampages earlier. I'm trying to get out of there because I forgot things fucked up, things went wrong. They gotta come in and fucking treat my place for fucking bugs, and they don't give me any fucking notice. It's actually retroactive, where they're gonna come in yesterday and they leave the fucking note on the fucking door, and I'm not gonna be home tomorrow. I don't have the day off tomorrow. I gotta leave the cat now locked in the fucking carrier for 2 fucking days in a fucking row because they don't fucking bother to have the fucking decency to fucking let me fucking know. I mean, when I already made my fucking plans for appointments and every fucking thing, I fucking hate when they pull that kind of shit on me. I don't have time. My fucking anxiety is so fucking bad, and they gotta make it fucking worse for me. God. Oh God. Oh shit. I'm now down to 8 minutes. Oh fuck. I don't want to pay the lunch. I don't want to pay the dinner price. I want the lunch prices. Oh shit. Fuck. I don't want to pay. Fucking expensive. Oh God, I hate this. Fuck, do I hate this shit with a fucking passion. Fuck, I hate this. Oh God, I can't stand this kind of shit. Oh fuck. Oh God, am I gonna make it? It's gonna be close. It's gonna be very close. I got 4 fucking minutes. Shit. Fuck. It's green. Oh fuck, I hate it. There's gonna be more snow. Fucking. They keep the nightmare going. I hope this is the light. It's gotta be this light. I can't fucking fuck up. Fuck. Let's go Corral. I gotta make this left turn. Oh shit. Fucking time. This fucking nightmare. Oh God, I got 8 fucking minutes to get the lunch prices. Oh shit, I gotta make this light's gotta hurry up and go green. You gotta give me the arrow. I don't have time. Fucking time. I got the arrow. I'm gonna barely make it if I make it. If they don't have their fucking clock fast. Oh shit, this fucking 8 fucking information days in a row with fucked up weather. Oh God, I can't fucking stand this. Oh, this fucking nightmare. Oh God. This fucking nightmare of fucking shit, and I'm gonna have an accident. Like, you know, look at that turn I was making when other people are making left turns. I mean, if you make fuck-ups and you risk an accident, and I gotta fucking rush to be somewhere by a certain time. Oh God, I can't fucking stand that kind of shit. I'm in a fucking state of fucking panic and a fucking time, and I run out of time. I can't fucking stand that fucking bullshit. That many people here. What the fuck? I hope there's not a line, because if there's a line, I'm SO fucking hell. I'm shit out of fucking luck. Oh my God, what the fuck is going on? I don't know. Why? I never seen this many fucking people here in ages. Oh God, I hope whatever's going on, there's not a fucking line. Fucking time, I gotta get the fucking lunch prices. I only got over fucking minutes. Who fucking minutes? Shit, I gotta go in and I gotta stop the video.